Both the Baltimore and DC metro real estate markets continued resurgence this past month, with the area unemployment rate at 9.6% for May, under the national average, and interest rates at record lows, ending at 3.13% in June. Strong buyer demand pushed median sales prices and new pending home sales to 10-year records. Let's review what's happened since last week's market report in more detail. It's Friday, July 17, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland. New listings came in at a June 7-year low, and months of available supply dropped to an overall 10-year low of 1.65. That means that existing inventory will be gone in 50 days. However, year-to-date sales prices in Anne Arundel County are up 3.7% over last year, to an average of $378,000. Baltimore City is up 5.8% to $190,000. Carroll County is up 5.0% to $275,000. Harford County is up 7.2% to $275,000. Howard County is up 5.4% to $454,000. Montgomery County is up 4.4% to $489,000. Prince George's County is up 4.3% to $340,500. Calvert County rose 5.3% to $368,450. Charles County is up 12% to $355,000, and St. Mary's County is up 15.4% to $322,000. The Eastern Shore market is also showing big gains over last year, and prices in some areas have really jumped up. Queen Anne's County is up 6.5% to $375,900. Kent County is up 25% to $275,000. Cecil County is up 5.7% to $249,000. Talbot County is up 22.7% to $475,000. Dorchester County is up 59% to $230,500, and Carroll County is up 22.8% to $230,000. If this information is of value to you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share to get all the updates regarding the Maryland market. So, what do these stats indicate? Well, there are 1,952 properties that came to market since last week, and 2,024 properties sold in that same time. Demand outpaces availability. Buyers are having to compete and need strong offers and stable financing, and even then, buyers are finding that they are still losing out. In many price ranges, investors are very active in the market, bringing cash, fast settlements, and foregoing inspections. A buyer looking to purchase their first home is finding it really hard to compete with the investor. That's your Maryland real estate market for Friday, July 17th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. If you have any specific questions about anything, call or text me. Thanks so much for watching. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.